Introduction to Pomodoro Analytics.
The Pomodoro apps do more than just help you time your work. Many now include analytics features that let you track your productivity patterns. By understanding how to interpret these analytics, you can discover when you're most productive and find areas for improvement, making your Pomodoro sessions even more effective.
Accessing analytics features.
To get started, open your Pomodoro app and look for a dashboard, statistics, or analytics section. Here, you'll find visualizations such as charts or summaries showing how many Pomodoros you've completed, your focus streaks, and often your break habits. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will help you make sense of your productivity trends.
Understanding key metrics.
Common metrics include the number of Pomodoros finished, total hours focused, daily or weekly trends, and break frequency. Some apps highlight your longest streak or your most productive time of day. By reviewing these figures regularly, you can identify what routines help you stay on track and when your attention tends to drift.
Interpreting your productivity data.
Interpret your results by looking for patterns. For example, notice if you're consistently productive at certain times or struggle on specific days. Compare your number of focus sessions over weeks or months to spot improvements or dips. This analysis helps you adjust your schedule or approach for better results.
Using analytics to improve.
Turn insights into action by setting small goals based on your analytics. If you see you lose focus more after lunch, schedule shorter sessions then. If you have fewer completed Pomodoros on Fridays, try adjusting your workload. Regularly using these features empowers you to refine your work habits and achieve more over time.